Conscious Culture in Chicago brings to you Reggae Live in Wrigleyville, a weekly live reggae promotion starting Saturday, May 28th at the Cubby Beer, 1059 West Addison. It kicks off with dancehall superstar Red Red.
Me can't get videos off. Woman dead in me room, I take her clothes off. Charlene, how pretty your ass. Stop, choop on your name like Wrigley's. You see that girl, Shelly Ann? Hey, you girl in the tight up skirt. Me woulda shame. Me and you a friend, but trust me, the weird. Busy, blasy, blaza.
Also featuring Coffee and your selector, Swacky J. Also coming up Thursday, June 16th, Everton Blender. For tickets, visit www.consciousculturechicago.com. That's Reggae Jump Ball, a weekly reggae event at the Cubby Beer, corner of Addison and Clark. Saturday, May 28th, Red Rat.